Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus 11 and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now this will also allow you to get rid of screen locks, so if you have one set on your device that you just don't know, this will completely remove it. Unfortunately, it will also remove everything else from your device. That will include any kind of apps that you have installed, photos, contacts, and so on. And without actually knowing the screen lock, I don't think you have a way of creating a backup of this kind of data. Anyway, now to get started, I'm gonna lock the device and you can see that I do have a pattern set and I will progress from here as though I don't know my pattern. So number one, we're gonna hold the power key and volume up. Try that again. There we go. Then swipe down to power off the device, and once the device turns off, I'm gonna hold power and volume down. In a moment you should see the OnePlus logo on the screen, at which point you want to let go of the power key, but keep holding volume down. Now here, I'm gonna simply select our language, then I'm gonna select format data. It gives us a randomly generated number right here, so just insert it into your keypad. So 7572. Select format. Data formatted, okay. And we're gonna now, well, I guess we don't need to select anything, it automatically reboots. So the device is now continuing the reset of the device in the background. It might take it a little bit longer to boot back up. Don't worry, that's completely normal. Once the process is finished, you will then be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. Now this actually went really quickly, and as you can see, the process is finished. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.